Inserting columns and rows in a table. If we want to insert a row or a column, we have to select any cell where we want to insert it. So first of all, we will select the cell. As I told you before, we can select a single cell or we can select a complete row. Now we will take Layout tab. It has 4 options: insert above, insert below, insert left and insert right. We will see it one by one. First of all, if I select insert above, it will insert a row above the selected row. Now, if I select insert below, it will insert a row below the selected row. Now, if I select insert left, it will insert a column on the left of the selected cell. And if I select insert right, it will insert a column on the right side of the selected cell. So in this way we can insert a row or a column above, below, on left or on right side of the selected cell or row or column. Now deleting. In order to delete a row or a column, select a cell. Again we have to select a cell to delete a row or column. Then a delete tool is also present in Layout tab. Again we take Layout tab and delete. In delete, a drop down menu appears. It is asking about delete cells, delete columns, delete rows or delete table. So first of all, if we take delete cells, it will ask whether to shift cells left, up, we have to delete entire row or delete entire column. So we can take any of the thing and we can give OK. Now you can see I have selected shift cells up, so my one cell is deleted. Now to delete column, we can again we have to select the cell, then delete, Layout tab, delete option, delete columns. It has deleted the first column. Now the third part, select the cell, Layout tab, delete option, delete rows. My complete row has been deleted. And now at last, if I select the cell, then take Layout tab, delete option and delete table. By clicking on delete table, deletes my entire table like this. So in this way we can insert as well as delete in our table in MS Word.